everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use freeform selection in Paint. Start by opening your image in Paint and navigate to the Home tab. Next, click the small drop-down arrow beneath the Select tool to view additional selection options. From the menu, choose Freeform Selection. Once selected, click and drag your mouse around the object or area you want to select. Unlike the standard regular selection tool, freeform selection allows you to draw a custom outline that follows the shape of the object more closely. And as you can see, when you release the button, Paint will create a selection based on the outline you drew. You can then move, copy, cut, or edit the selected area without affecting the rest of the image. This tool is especially useful when working with irregularly shaped objects that don't fit neatly inside a rectangle. And that's it. Thanks for watching.